Hello and welcome to the State of Michigan Department of Community Health Waiver Support Application TechCast on Submitting a Packet, how to complete and submit a packet. This TechCast will cover how a packet is a collection of web forms. These are forms where information is entered and validated, as well as a set of document transfer notifications, which is how you indicate that a particular document is on its way to the DCH Administrator. It's important to understand that the packet information can only be maintained by the RAP facilitator. The DCH Administrator does not have the ability of modifying any information in a packet. For a packet to be submitted, all of the components of the packet have to be entered. The web-based forms used validation to avoid data entry mistakes and also have calendar boxes as well as drill downs to help make the data entry easy. Once a packet has been submitted, it will send an email message to the DCH administrators to let them know that there is work that needs to be done, and the submitted a packet will appear on the DCH administrator's work queue. The DCH administrator has the ability to approve or deny a packet, as well as being able to pen the packet back to the RAP facilitator for additional information. A note here, all the people that are used in this TechCast are fictional. There are no real beneficiaries being used here. There is a TechCast channel on YouTube dedicated to the TechCast for WSA that can be found at the address being highlighted. Now let's move to the application. The RAP facilitator that is currently logged in is RAPFac Jody, as seen by the highlighting. And we will start by clicking on Person to get a list of the persons assigned to RAPFac Jody. It's possible to search for a beneficiary either by the ID or the case identifier or the name. In this TechCast, we are going to be using Gordon Bergenstein, and we will take a look at the cases for Bergenstein, and we will see that there is one particular case, 1469, and by clicking on the packet link being highlighted, we'll be able to see all the packets assigned to that particular case. For this particular case, there's only one packet, packet 172, and we are interested in viewing the packet so that we can complete the information in order to submit the packet. So here are the 5 items that are necessary to complete a packet in order to be submitted. Budget information, diagnosis information, 2 pieces of documentation, one for budget and one for scoring, as well as the scoring information. We will click on each one of these forms one after another and rapidly complete them so that you can see them being completed and see their status, which is being highlighted, going from pending to entered. We will start with the budget information. When you hover over a date field, a calendar appears that allows you to select a date, and we will key in a budget of $12,000 with a short note. And we will update the budget period. Now notice that the budget information shows as being entered. Now we will go on to the diagnosis information. The diagnosis information has a long form that requires a lot of entry. We will enter data into this form quickly just to show you an example.